Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Assistant channel. In this short video, I will show you how to add a video to your Instagram notes. If you want to enhance your Instagram experience and share engaging video content using the Notes feature, you're in the right place. You can now include short boomerang video clips in your notes. So if you're ready, let's get started. To begin with, go to your Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If not, click on Update and wait a few seconds for the app to update. Keep in mind that this feature may not be available in all regions, so regular Instagram updates are crucial. Once you've done that, click on Open, then go to Direct Message. Now, click on your profile picture. Once you've done that, tap on the camera button. Here, you can capture a short boomerang specifically for your Instagram notes. It's important to note that you can only record using the front selfie camera. If you're ready, click on the blue button to start recording the boomerang. After recording, click on the check mark. Now, you can add a description to the video if you want, then click on the share option in the top right corner of the screen to publish. Great! You've successfully added a video to your Instagram notes. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.